54.
My hands are really sick.
Happy summer.
It's still only, 6 right now.
Thanks, Joel. This is delicious.
Oh.
I mixed mine quite hell, though.
So next time we all gotta go to that beach over there. We'll go a little bit earlier, so we'll have a lot of time over there. We'll go around like noon, and then we can stay till like 5 or 6.
Okay, cool.
And then everybody should have their own flotation device, so we can all be in the water. That'll be fabulous. And that place has a little thing where it's like a little marina, so there's not waves that are coming in, so the water's kind of still.
So you could just float.
Yeah, but there's still like people who like on paddle boards, people paddleboard all the way. And yeah, that place is a lot cleaner because it's like near. Because I went there like 3 or 4 times the last year, and then even without Aaron, I just bought my flotation device. It was just floating in the water. It was scared because like about 50 feet down there, like people park their boats over there, and you can like float down to where the boats are.
What? Really? Are you sure you can swim there?
Yeah, you can. If you can swim.
Mine. Not mine either.
Mine's in August.
And here are the ice creams: strawberry, root beer floats, vanilla custard, Taki and Taku. Taki going to the 6th grade, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to the 4th grade? And Odyssey's going to the 12th grade. He's going to be a senior this year.
That'd be nice. To be young again.
And here comes Paula and them, all in the back over there in the yellow.
How does your ice or your custard taste?
Good.
How though? How?
It tastes like vanilla.
You're supposed to say it's creamy and
Decadent.
it's creamy and very
Delicate.
Delicate.
thick and juicy.
It's cold.
Look, you guys, there's a lot of people at the beach today. We are a lot of people at the beach. This is yours. This is your strawberry. That's his.
Order number 53.
Happy summer, you guys. Happy summer, Adi.
Happy summer.
Order number 51.
We're 52. We're getting ice cream at the lake today. It's kind of partly cloudy, but that's okay. I don't need the sun all up on me.
Yeah.
This is actually good when it's partly cloudy like this.
Yeah. I don't want to be so hot. Burnt chicken nugget. Look at these little sunglasses. They're for taco.
So our ice cream is going to be here in a little
Look,
bit.
It parts from here, like skin and food.
Um,
Yeah, you got dark. I think I got pretty dark too. That's a bird. A bird. I want my leg.
Taku, can you film me getting the ice cream? Here, film me. Hi, this is Charles Vergara. This is summer 2020. Today is the, oh yeah. Today is the 11th, I believe, or the 12th. We're going to be getting some ice cream. Yeah, Paula and them should come over here just so that the bugs won't bite. Yeah, go tell them to come so they can, because there's less bugs over here, right? Yeah. So we can all have ice cream over here.
Ice cloud.
So I ordered the root beer. What did you order, Taku?
A custard. Vanilla custard.
A small vanilla custard.
In a small dish.
And I think Adi got us chocolate.
Yes, chocolate and dish.
Yeah, in a dish. So I think everybody got it in a dish.
Do we need a ticket?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
And then, well, they got vanilla, and then your dad got strawberry, and I got a root beer float. And next time we're gonna go to the beach over there by my house, and we're gonna have Ned's Pizza. And then I'm gonna have a big old flotation device, and you guys will see me in the water with my big unicorn flotation device. It's about this big. It takes like 20 minutes to blow up. It could fit 2 people or 1 person lounging like that. It's gonna be fun. I forgot the name of the park, but stay tuned for that video. Okay. Hey you guys, we're here at the beach. And there's Kia and them over by the water right over there. Taku! At the beach. At the beach.
Gaga. Here, please. Come on, please.
Ooh. Come here where you want. Ooh. What did I put in here? Oh, my cigarettes. Ah! The french fries. Taki, how old are you now? Are you 10?
11.
11? Old? Wow. 13, he teen. 13. Sixth grade. Oh, wow. Ew, there's a lot of mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Taku, y'all want ice cream? Who wants ice cream? Raise your hand and I'll buy y'all some. Okay. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah, mosquito bites everywhere.